There comes Felipe.
There he goes.
We're going out with Rodney today.
We're gonna nail it today, boy, I tell ya.
Yep.
Team Tag Cabo. All right.
Y el Julio. ¿Dónde Julio? Okay, so Felipe, what are we gonna go for today? A ver.
A lot of fish.
A lot of. What are we gonna go for, Rodney?
Everything that swims. So,
Yeah.
Felipe, I asked him this morning, what are we gonna do today? Felipe said we're gonna get Dorado, Sierra, Rooster, Jack, Marlin, and Wahoo.
Nice.
And maybe tuna too, he said.
That's a super grand slam, not just a grand slam.
That is the super.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Felipe's up to the challenge.
Yep.
So am I.
Hey, what were you saying about the what's it called, the salmon?
Yeah.
You said that the salmon, they call him what, tahi?
Yeah, so in Canada, the Chinook salmon, if you get a Chinook salmon over 30 pounds or bigger, they call it a tai-e.
A tahi?
Yeah, T-Y-E-E.
Oh,
Tai-e.
tahi. Okay.
And a lot of lodges, places will give you a pin.
Do you do that as well?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. And
Little pin with the name of the
a
company?
pin, or it's like a hook or something, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. When I was guiding down there.
Well, that's what we're going to go for today.
That's the benchmark. The Super Grand Slam.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to look at the water temperatures to see where we should go and catch some fish. A ver, Felipe. ¿Cómo se mira el terrafín? Yeah, we're going, so we can go get the Grand Slam. Seems like the water changed from yesterday. It was really hot, really close to shore. Right now, the hot water went farther out. All the wind, the cold wind pushed the water out a little bit. Okay, did you get him? Yep. So we just got a strike. We just got a strike. We were thinking about moving from here, but never mind. Rodney just got a strike. What is it? A sierra?
No, rooster.
Rooster fish? A small rooster fish? First rooster of the day, or the first fish of the day. Yes.
An angry fish.
Yes. Oh, there he comes. No. Oi, oi. There it is, a nice little rooster fish. Good job by setting up the hook by Rodney. Vámonos, there it is. Beautiful. Got it, vámonos. Nice, beautiful rooster.
All right.
Okay, let's do it. We're gonna release it.
All right.
And off it goes. Okay, well, so we have another rooster on the line, and Felipe just hooked something. Or he's acting like if he hooked something. ¿Sí? ¿Sí chingaste algo? ¡Vámonos! And Rodney's over here fighting with a nice rooster, kiddo. Another beautiful rooster fish. We're getting some action. So right now we've been doing okay with rooster fish. We want to get something to eat, and we don't like eating roosters. So we just let that one go, and Felipe has another one on the line. ¿Qué no tienes otro ahí, Felipe? So, gallo también?
Gallo,
so we got a double hookup, and we let go a couple in the, well, one in the morning already. We were targeting wahoos and marlins earlier, but we weren't doing that good, so we came to this area and get some action. We really want to catch something to eat. So we're gonna keep trying until we do. We call them sierras here.
Yeah, I see you right here, so used to it now.
So that's a good thing. We just got another fish. Fish on.
Want to go? Yeah.
Is it here already?
Yeah.
There it is, a sierra.
Nice. Yeah.
Spanish mackerel. That's exactly what we were shooting for. They are chunky. No manches, está grande, wey. That's a fat one. These things have some big old teeth on them.
I'm not gonna unhook it.
They'll take your finger right off.
Fíjate de big choppers.
No manches. Did he get away? Okay, that one, the fish just won the battle, which is okay. We know where they are now. Okay, seems like we just got another Spanish mackerel on the line. He just took off really quick.
Good sound effects.
Yes.
You gotta get it.
He just takes off running.
It worked for Shimano.
Yes. There it is. Another Sierra number 3. Look at those big old teeth on that stuff. Wow. Fish on.
El gancho está por ahí.
We already caught what, like this is the fourth Sierra? Is that another Wahoo looking? Oh, that's a big Sierra. Vámonos. We can win a tournament with that one. That's a nice hook too.
Yes. Yes.
No manches, man. That's a big Sierra.
Yeah, leave the rod.
Okay, turn it off and lift over. It's just behind the boat. Look at it cross.
Okay.
Lift up.
We are on fire right now. Turn it off and what is it? You don't know? You got the got it. Here comes the other one. Métela ya, métela.
Hey, amigo. Okay? Yeah, very good. Good. Keep moving. I know. Finish.
You got what's the big? Ya tíralo, no te vaya. ¿Qué no, Felipe?
My fish. Almost. They're all chunky now. That's how the In Cabo shirt is supposed to look.
There's blood on your shirt, which is good. That's a good sign.
For 2 reasons. 1, it means I'm catching fish, and 2 means I have to buy another shirt.
That's correct.
Turo is smiling all the way to the bank.
Yeah.